Hello guys, I'm Arnold Osano, visual artist from Kenya. I'm a production designer for live musical performance and ballet productions. Yes, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how to do canvas painting as a backdrop. Yes, and as a really huge backdrop, a mural size backdrop. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy. First of all, we'll start by priming our canvas. When you prime your canvas, it depends on the quality of canvas it is, how heavy it is, how textured it is. So, in priming your canvas, you have to make sure your canvas is really clean. Get the dust particles off it. You maybe take a broom since it's really big, or a brush all the impurities out. Secondly, get your primer. It depends on what type of primer you want, because there's the normal primer we all use is white, so I always prefer priming my canvas with white paint. Yeah, so that's what I do. Get a primer, the best quality you can. Prime your canvas. It depends if you want the first coat, the second coat, or the third coat, but the more coats the better the painting will look at the end of your piece. Yes, then after priming your canvas, you leave it to dry. So since I always use a really huge canvas, it takes me almost half a day to paint, to prime the first coat of the canvas, let it dry half the day, then the next day I paint the same. So it takes me 2 days for the priming and for the paint to really dry really well, for me to get the surface I need. Yes, after that, then you'll start making your sketch just as I explained. Yes, that's how I do it for me. It makes it easier for me, because I find it very hectic getting when you're doing a big canvas, getting a really long ruler for it is really difficult. So this is how I do it, and this is how I get it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a lovely day. Thank you.